In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix the access denied error in ZArchiver. Let's jump straight into it. First, press and hold the ZArchiver app icon on your device. After holding it, a menu will appear showing options like App Details. Tap on App Info. Once you're in the app settings, you'll see several options. Look for and select Permissions. When you open it, it may seem like no permissions are enabled. Now go back and open the app again. You'll likely still see the Access Denied message. To fix this, return to the Permissions section and enable Allow Access to manage all files. This is the key step. After enabling that, go back again. You should now be able to use the app without the error. If you choose not to allow full access, the app might still open, but some features won't work properly. That's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.